Before we begin, I will say, your planet has begun to show its true design through your image technology. You can understand your planet in real time, but with your advanced image technology you have a greater advantage over all past generations. Your generation will figure everything out. Our mission is to give you the facts about the design of your planet. Your astrophysicists are incapable. In short, they are incompetent. They can only give you theories. The same data you will find inside Earth, you will find in the heavens. We have figured out the design of everything.
In this brief we will focus on the billions of colors that are visible in and on rock mountains. Before we begin on the design of the stones inside planet Earth, let's talk about some of the great minds in our past. Like Isaac Newton. Some say Newton began the study of theoretical astrophysics. His work was based on mathematical models. But Newton had no physical basis. The reason is he never understood the actual design of planet Earth. This is where all the great minds failed. Trying to pull the horse with the wagon. Before any human mind can even think about injecting equations or numbers into figuring out the design of planet Earth, that person has to understand the design itself first. When that person begins that journey, it will not be as easy as one may think. To understand the knowledge sown into the mountains, you will first need to figure out why there are thousands of strange colors on the mountains. That will be a feat in its own. When you decide to try and figure out the mountains, locate one inside your planet, then observe it about a block in front of it. Spend around a month just observing it. You have to understand what you are actually observing. You see, inside this planet you were born inside, the colors are designed to trick your mind. You would not know this because there are no books written in the design of Earth. Even though you paid the science community hundreds of millions to figure shit out, well, they let everybody down. On a monumental level. In the images on your screen I have highlighted in red an image of a woman and an image of a man. Marked Exhibit A and B. The image of the man marked Exhibit B is wearing a suit with a black tie. You see the thin black lines detail the clothes the people are wearing that are sewn into the mountain. The entire mountain bears images of people, with no empty space. You see, there is no beginning and there is no end. When you invert the mountain you will still find images of people, but different. Is somewhat like your planet. A round ball. If you spin your planet, any way you stop it, you will find an image of a person sewn on it and inside it. I am afraid the design of your planet is beyond the comprehension of your leading scientist and your leading astrophysicist. So since we have located all the data sewn inside and outside of planet Earth, there can be only one conclusion. Your planet is a design that was built. The question will be, how long are you going to allow your scientist to keep jerking you around? Give them a call. Tell them what seems to be the problem. Last, I will say your Bible tells you your planet was created. You were created. So your Bible also tells you your king will return. Might want to think about that. Do not take too long, for your end is near. I think that is also written in your Bible.